Şerit ihlali ve hız sınırını aşma gerekçesiyle durdurulan Ladia Strickland, polis tarafından sadece siyahi olduğu için durdurulduğunu ve taciz edildiğini iddia ediyor. Ancak birazdan bu iddianın Ladia için ne kadar riskli bir hamleye dönüşeceğini göreceksiniz.
As soon as you give me the documentation, I will let you know.
You're supposed to let me know prior to that.
No, you're not going to tell me how to do my job. I'm asking for your license, registration, proof of insurance.
I'm aware of the law.
Okay? I'm aware of the law too.
Okay.
As soon as you give me the documentation, I'll let you know.
Yeah, whatever. Because I'm black, right?
Not at all, ma'am.
Yeah, because I'm black.
Not at all.
Whatever.
Has nothing to do with it.
It's because I'm black. Now you come. I'm gonna go on my book bag.
No weapons in the book bag?
You wanna check it? Check it and hurry up.
All right, where's your license at?
It's in
inside
the
here?
book bag. I just
Listen,
said it.
calm down.
Tartışma büyüyünce çantasını polisin yüzüne fırlatan Ladia'nın bu agresif tavrı ilerleyen dakikalarda başına büyük bir bela açacaktı.
Fuck.
Calm
That's a
down.
long ass day.
You need to calm down, okay?
You pulling me up for no reason. You're harassing
No, I'm not harassing
You're
you. and I
harassing
put-
me.
No, I'm not
You're
harassing you.
me. Run the plate.
Where's
and
your,
hurry
is
up.
your wallet inside here? Where's your wallet?
Open up a bag, check for weapons.
Where's
Give me
your
a so I
wallet?
can check for the ID.
Where's your
It ain't in a
wallet?
wallet. Look for weapons so I can check for my ID.
Where's your license at?
I'll find it myself. Look for weapons. I gave you permission. You have permission to check the book bag.
What's your
Now
name?
Give me the ID.
What's your name?
Give me the ID.
What's your name?
Ladia Strickland.
Okay.
Give me my book bag
There
so I
you
can
go.
get my ID.
Okay. Let me get your license.
Yeah.
You need to
I
calm
knew you
down.
were following me. No, you need to calm down.
ma'am. All right?
Because I knew you were following
You need
me.
to calm down, ma'am, all
I
right?
knew it. Y'all think y'all so slick.
You need to calm down,
No,
ma'am.
y'all think y'all so slick.
You need to calm down.
Sick of these cops, man.
Okay? You need to relax. It's not a big issue.
Yes,
just a
it is.
traffic
You're
stop.
harassing me. I
It's
just got
just
off
a
work.
traffic
I work
stop.
from 10 to 12.
Okay.
You're harassing
Give me
me.
your license.
You're harassing me.
No one's
Hurry up
harassing
and
you.
run it and give me your badge number and give me your supervisor's name.
Yeah, not a problem.
Hurry up. What did you pull me over
Not a
for?
problem. Okay, now that I got the documentation that I need, the reason I'm pulling you over
Why?
is you were failing to maintain a lane and you were doing 60.
Because I turned over
Let me
here, so
finish.
that's why.
Let me finish. You were
your
failing to
supervisor's
maintain
name.
a lane and you were speeding. You
You're
were doing
harassing
60
me.
in a Mark 35.
You're harassing me.
Okay, that's
You're
why I
harassing
pulled
me.
you
That's
over,
not
okay?
true. You're
All right?
harassing me. That's not
Is
true.
your license valid? Everything
My
good to
license
go?
is valid. Go run it.
Okay, where are you coming from today, Miss?
Work. I just said that. What does the shirt say?
Okay, and
So
where-
you're harassing
And
me.
where are you headed
Give
to?
me, give me.
Where are
give me
you
your-
headed to?
You don't need to know that. It's none of your business.
Okay, all right. Hang tight 1 second, okay?
Yeah, and give me your supervisor's
Yeah,
name.
I'm gonna.
For your harassment.
Mine is gonna be at the bottom of the
Your
ticket.
harassment.
And that's
Yeah,
not a
yeah,
problem.
okay, we'll
Do you-
fight it in court. I'll see you in court.
Would you like to would you like to speak to my sergeant?
Yes, I would.
All right, that's all you
Call
need
him
to
right
do.
now.
That's all you need
I'll
to
see
do.
you in court for your harassment.
Listen, you need to relax.
No, because you're
All right?
harassing me.
You're saying
I
yelling
just
at me.
got work. I
Am
had
I
a
yelling
long
at you?
day.
Am I yelling
I had a
at
long
you?
day. I worked at 10
Okay.
to 12.
Is that my fault?
Yes, it's your
That's
fault.
not my
You're
fault you had a
harassing
long
me.
day.
You pulled me over for
I
no
pulled
reason.
you over because of the traffic.
I saw
infraction.
you
Simple as that.
following me, so that's not true. I
You
saw
gonna-
you following me. I
are you
saw
gonna
you
relax?
at that
Are you gonna
light.
relax?
I saw you at
Are
that
you going
light.
to relax?
You followed me.
Are you gonna
You're
relax?
harassing me.
No one's harassing you.
Yes, you
Are
are.
you going to relax? Just calm down while I go back and write you the ticket. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Yeah, give me your sergeant's name, asshole.
Hey, are you gonna relax or not?
Go do your job.
Okay, wait,
Go do your job. You're following
Why-
me.
why are you
Go
calling
do your
me an
job.
asshole? Why are you
Because
calling
you
me
were
an asshole?
following me. Because you were following me.
I
I
got
saw
behind
you
you, took
following
the-
me.
I
I
got
saw
behind
you
you,
at the
took
red
the
light. I
traffic
saw
stop.
you following me.
Exactly.
I saw you following me.
Yeah. Well, I'm supposed to get behind you. to
Get
give you
the
ticket.
No, you were pulling me out and you're following me. I don't care. I'll see you in fucking court. What the fuck? You think that scares me?
You
A
think that-
goddamn ticket on motherfucking
You need to
scare
relax.
me.
You need to relax.
Go write the
All right.
ticket. Write the
Why?
ticket.
Why? So
I'll see you in
amped up?
court.
Why are
Write
you
the
so
ticket.
amped up? Because are you admitting the traffic violation?
I'm not
I
admitting
think you
shit.
are.
Fuck you. Go
No?
write the ticket.
Hang tight 1 second, okay?
Go write the fucking ticket.
Hang tight
I'll
1
see you
second.
in court.
Okay. In the 38, can you have a sergeant respond to my 1020 for the driver's request?
10-4 is India 30. Can you use this one Tom Lane code 4? I'm going back to 10-4.
Failure to maintain and speeding to 60 and a 35. Yeah, just like you said, she still saw me. She was still driving.
10-4 is the Golf 3 for Alpha Maldonado.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Sergeant.
What's he got?
It's coming down on Curry Ford. She came off of Crystal Lake, I think it was. Got behind her, ran the tag. She was failing to maintain lane, and then she was going about 60 in the 30 Mark 35. I'm not calibrated, but I observed it.
Mm-hmm.
And then she took this turn here quickly, and then pulled straight into here. That's when I lit her up. She got out of the car, tried to get back in the car, put her hands on the steering wheel, so I can call up the tag. She started screaming, yelling, "You stopping me because I'm black? You're a fucking asshole, blah, 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 blah." So I fucking flipped the fuck out. Asked her for documentation. Tell me why you stopping me. I was like, as soon as you give me documentation, I will let you know. She went to reach for her bag. I was like, "Any weapons in the bag?" So she threw the bag at me. Checked for the bag. She said, "Any weapons?" I looked inside her. I asked her what her license was. And then I gave her the bag back so she can get her license. She gave me her license, and she's wanted to speak to a supervisor, and said she's going to see me in court. That I was following her and harassing her because she was black.
She got 10 on her window.
Yeah, she does, yeah. I had no idea who got when she got out. By herself. Sole driver.
What's going on?
Yeah, I want to file harassment charges. Can I get the number to the police investigators, please? Whatever.
Harassment charges?
Harassment charges.
For what?
He followed me just to pull me over for no reason. He had no reason at all.
No reason at all? Okay. So you just want the number to file a complaint?
Polisten rozet numarasını isteyen Ladia, şikayet etme konusunda kararlıydı. Ancak bu aşırı özgüvenli tavrı olayın tansiyonunu daha da yükseltecekti.
Can I follow with you?
Yeah, I mean, what's your complaint? That he pulled you over for no reason?
Yeah, he followed me. He didn't give me a reason why he pulled me over.
He didn't tell you one at all?
Until I gave him my license.
Well, that is normal. That's how we train. But
So am I going to get the number to the, what is it, FDLE?
you can call FDLE. You can also call ours. But I mean,
Please, give me the number.
I mean
You
that.
can look all day, but you don't have permission to search, and I know I have rights.
No, but I'm just saying, like that right there is a reason to stop.
What's the reason?
The tint line, you're below the tint line.
I didn't get this.
It doesn't matter. You're driving the car.
So then you should talk to Mazda. They sold me this car
Huh?
just a year ago.
That's not how the law works. But so you just want the phone number to FDLE?
What is it? Not the FDLE. What is it? I want the number to the police investigators. I'm pretty sure you pulled me over because I'm black.
Oh, he pulled you over because you're black. Okay.
You guys wouldn't understand because you're white. So I know
So
you don't get it, but I get it.
Okay.
Because you've never been black before.
So you're saying you were racially profiled?
I'm saying I was.
Do you want to fill out a form?
Yes.
You do? So you. All right. But you are saying when you didn't tint the windows, right?
Yes, I'm saying I bought this car from Mazda.
And Mazda tinted the windows for you?
Since then, I bought it from Mazda.
But the windows are tinted.
I bought it from Mazda, yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll be right back.
Matter of fact, the window was down. If I'm not mistaken, the window was down.
All right. Well, I mean,
So yeah, please give me the paper.
we were.
I know you were thinking
So what happened?
you got to take up for your associates. I get it, but
We're not associates. They're subordinates. But
yeah, subordinates. Excuse me. So I get it.
so.
It's okay. You're doing your job. You didn't do anything, but I would like it for him.
For him. Okay. All right. All right. What's the best phone number to reach you?
407. But I didn't even think of that.
Yeah, I know where you're coming from, so I'm trying to help you out. You know, it's not funny. I've been pulled over before. It's not funny.
It sucks when you're sleepy. You're looking forward to jumping in bed and going to sleep.
Bu kısımda Ladia'nın yüzüne dikkatli bakarsanız ne kadar sakin kaldığını fark edebilirsiniz. Bu sakinlik aslında savunduğu şeyin pek de inandırıcı olmadığının bir göstergesi gibi. Peki siz ne düşünüyorsunuz? Görüşlerinizi yorumlarda yazın.
All right. So where were you driving? So you're coming this way?
I saw him. I came out of a street. I don't know what street it was, but I saw him as black. So I made a right, and then I saw him drive behind me. And then I went to the left to see if he was still following me. He was behind me again, so I pulled back over to the right, and then that's when I pulled him here to actually go to the store. And then he pulled me over. Actually, I'm getting out of the car, and he's like, "Get back in the car." I'm like, "What is wrong with you? What are you talking about?"
It's a safety thing. People get out.
Yeah, but I didn't know he was pulling me over at that moment. So me getting out the car to go into the store, which I'm still gonna go. So
All right. You think he had no merit for the stop at all? I mean, you were doing the speed limit, doing everything right. Okay.
But I knew he followed me, so I knew why would I not hit him?
Okay.
I saw him before he saw me. Because I'm pulling out of the street like, it's like a side street, a neighborhood that pulls into that gas station over. It's like right in between a gas station.
Right.
I see him, he's at that red light. I can make a right because, I look, there's no car. So I made the right. So I knew he was following me.
Okay.
I absolutely saw him following me, so I was not speeding. Right.
All right. And you said your window was down when you were driving? So, and you just think you were stopped on the basis of your race?
I don't know. I'm going to say yes. You don't think that initially till they get out the car, and then I was like, well, what did you pull me over for? It's a simple question that makes plenty of sense, but everyone has the right to know, and it didn't have a reason.
Well, I mean, I can tell you that we do train that way because here's how it works on the side of the road. And our job is really easy if we don't have to talk to anybody all night. But the cop's standing on the side of the road with traffic going by, and if we say, well, I stopped you for the red light, and then not saying it with you, but people are like, well, I didn't run any red light. I'm not giving you. And then it turns into like, excuse my French, but a pissing match on the side of the road where the person wants to argue it, and the cop doesn't even know. Yeah, I know.
You got a few in the court. That's all you can do.
Right. So we do train that. That is the way we train. Get the information, then tell them why they got stopped. But
very frustrating thing for the person on the other side. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
Very frustrating. Because for me, I feel like you're just waiting to make up a reason for why you did it. That's what I mean.
Yeah. I mean, he's hardly ever gets complained on. I can tell you that. And he takes a lot of bad guys to jail. So.
This isn't a bad guy.
I know. I'm not saying you are, but so. All right.
We got to look for him. This is all good.
Yeah. Was it out where the Wawa was?
It was before the Wawa.
Before the Wawa?
He was pulling like in that direction from the Wawa. I was coming out of that neighborhood.
Okay.
So I take I-4, I get off the paving, and then I make a left and turn around and shoot.
All right. Well, what would your resolution? What would you want the resolution of this to be? You just want, okay. I mean,
You really still want to do this and still hold us up when you're going more.
I mean, well, I'm going to review the video and take a look at it and see, what was going on, because we're all wearing cameras. So, I mean, I got to write it up per our policy, and it goes all the way up to internal affairs, and
That's what it is.
Yeah, it's not necessarily an internal affairs complaint. It's something that we track. We have a whole policy. What? Right, and we have a bias-free policing policy, and that's all it's about. And then I have certain steps, and then my boss has certain steps, and it goes all the way up through. So, I mean, that'll be it. Everybody will review the video, and if they feel like there's a problem, then it'll be addressed. Okay?
Amerikan yasalarına göre her şikayet iç denetim birimi tarafından incelenmeden kapatılamaz. Amir de Ladia'ya sürecin hemen sonuçlanmayacağını söylüyor. Ancak gidişata bakılırsa bu şikayet Ladia'nın beklediği gibi bitmeyecek.
But if something changes, if I have questions, I'll give you a call. It may be from a block number. I won't lie to you, because I don't think I work again until January 5th, so it'll be on my own time.
You have a great vacation.
So, but I'll definitely look into it, Ms. Strickland, right? Okay. And
everything's fair, right? No license, everything's perfect.
Yeah, I think he's still got some business with you, but you have any questions for me? We can Coop can do it, but
somebody's got to be with him.
Yeah. No, that's no problem.
I'm not going to be next to him. I'll see him next time before.
You have any questions with me? Anything else? Nothing else to add? Nothing. Goodwin? Everybody calls me Johnny G.
You guys are with the
OPD. Yep. Okay. Well, if you got nothing further for me, then I'm going to go and work on this and get it done before my vacation starts.
All right. Have a good vacation.
Okay. Thank you. Have a better night.
All right, ma'am. Here goes your information back, your documentation. Okay, this here's a citation for failing
Don't
to.
explain it. Just give me it. I'll see you in court.
I have to do my job. You told me to do my
I
job.
don't want to talk about it.
This
I'll see you in
citation
court.
is for failing to maintain a designated lane. All your information here that you see on the top is your information, your
Because
driver's
you're
license
following me. I was
information.
avoiding you.
Okay.
And you know that.
Okay, ma'am.
So
You went in front of me. How am I following you?
you could.
You were in front of me.
So I was first, right?
You turned-
So meant
you
I saw
turned
you
in
at
front
the,
of me.
I saw you at the red light. You came behind me. That's a lie.
Regardless, you were failing to
Never
maintain a
review
lane.
tape. Never review
All right,
tape.
exactly.
Never review
It's
tape.
all recorded. All right, this is a citation. Pay within 30 days. The fine is $169.
I'll see
I
you in
need you to
court.
sign right here at the bottom.
I'll
It's not
see
an
you. I'm
admission
not
to guilt.
signing it.
You're not signing
I'm
it?
not signing it. I'll see
Okay,
you
all
in
right,
court.
stand by 1 second.
I will see you in court, sir.
Refused to sign.
What day is the court date? He's gonna tell me.
That's up to you. You need to appeal it, okay?
See you in
All your
court.
options are in the back.
I'll see you in court, and I'll be calling
not a
your.
problem.
I'll be calling the department tomorrow.
That's
I'll
not a
call
problem, man.
everybody.
All
Have a
right?
Good night.
Just make
It
sure
was
in the
nice
future-
talking to you. You're a
make
very
sure in
nice
the
gentleman,
future
very nice cop.
You follow all traffic laws, okay? Have a good night.
Polise karşı sergilediği agresif tavır ve asılsız taciz suçlamasıyla hakkında işlem yapılan Ladia Strickland, ırkçılıkla suçladığı sistemin önünde davranışlarının hesabını vermeyi bekliyor.